Assalamualaikum people, I am Faisal. Today I have brought to you a new topic that is known as changing word class. This topic can be new for many, so let's begin with this. But before, if you are watching my video first time, so do subscribe my channel for new videos. So friends, when we go to speak English, so we need vocabulary, and in our vocabulary we use variety of words. We use nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverb, and a list is there of in parts of speech to use these words. But you might have heard about the word formation. When we have to form a new word from established words, so we add prefix or suffix, and in this way we form a new word. For example, if a word is there good, so to make this word to form a noun from this word, so we use a suffix NESS and it becomes goodness. But sometimes the word class of a word changes without adding prefix or suffixes. Here is an example: I run faster than him. In this sentence the word run is used as verb, and so its word class is verb. In another sentence, India has to score 10 more runs to win the match. In this sentence the word run is used as noun, so its word class is noun. So this is called changing word class. Hence all the words belong to categories like noun, pronoun, adverb, adjectives according to their role in a sentence, and this is called the word class. English has 4 major word classes: nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. So let's begin with some examples so that you may have a clear idea. Here are few examples. The first example, which I told you earlier, that I run faster than him. Here the word run is used as verb. Okay, so its word class is verb. And in this sentence, India has to score 10 runs. See here the runs is used as noun, so its word class is noun here. Okay, here you can observe that in the changing word class we do not have to add any prefixes or suffixes, and the word remains same, but sometimes it is used as verb and sometimes it is used as noun. Here in another example you can see she laughs whenever I crack a joke. So here laugh is used as verb. Again its word class is verb in this sentence, and in this sentence she always lets out a loud and hearty laugh at my jokes. So here this word laugh is used as noun. So you can also see that the words are same without changing, without adding anything. The same words are used as noun and verb in different sentences in the context. In the last example here, she works as a nurse. Nurse is used as noun in this sentence, so its word class is noun. And in another sentence, you have to nurse a patient till he recovers. So here this word nurse is used as verb. So what we can say, that a word which is used sometime as noun and sometime as verb without adding any affixes, prefixes or suffixes is called changing word class. Here are 2 more examples. The first is Saud has a habit of going for a walk after dinner. In this sentence here the word walk is used as noun, and so its word class is noun here. But in another sentence, he used to walk to school in his childhood. So here the word walk is used as verb, so its word class is verb. In another example here, Anis was able to catch the ball in time, but he missed the crucial catch and lost the match. Look at this sentence, and here first catch is used as verb, and here catch, the same word, is used as noun. So here the word class of the catch is verb, and here the word class of catch is noun. So keep watching my videos, do subscribe, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.